What is it?
I got two, and I don't know who she is.
Selena Gomez. You know Selena Gomez.
You know, with the one from Hotel Transylvania, she sings, I'm a monster.
Oh.
No. She's from the Wizards of Waverly Place.
Can we this to the...
Oh.
Got tights, a hairband, shoes.
Wow.
Even a charm. Another charm, Mommy.
Very nice.
I'm
We'll have to put all your charms together. Well, now it's time for you to start collecting them now that you have an American Girl doll.
Yeah, Kat. Either way, take you until American Girl Doll shop. They have a list. And I got one for just getting the babies. Ooh.
Kelly, I thought you were just going to punch yourself in the face with your hand.
Mommy, can you help me get this thing off?
Sure, honey. I think Daddy needs to get us some scissors so we can cut all these ribbons off.
Mommy,
You okay?
I got the fence charm.
Oh.
This is all the teeth.
Here, Cal.